Hey guys, it's Meg and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I've got a huge stationery haul for you, so let's just get into it. So first up is Olive Mabel. This stuff is all stuff I've bought myself, so not gifted, but it's so cute. I just wanted to include it in the video and show you guys. Got a little card with the branding on, then we've got a little postcard, and then we've got all the goodies. So can we just appreciate how cute this packaging is? I love the pink crinkled stuff, obviously to help protect it. And I got quite a variety of things from a few different brands, so let's go through it all. First of all is this set of pens, and this was actually a freebie as I'd spent over £15, I think. They've got different stuff written on them, which is all very cute. I love the colours as well. And clicky pens always come in super handy, so this was just a really cute little freebie gift added in. Then I got a few different washi tapes from a brand called Nutmeg and Arlo, which I really love. I think the packaging is so pretty. So let's open these up and show you the tapes I got. Oh my gosh, cute little details. I love stuff like that. I think it just makes the whole thing so nice. So this is a washi tape with all of the months on, which I just thought would be really cute to use. You can cut it up and use it. And as I still occasionally do custom journals, I thought this would be something that could come in handy. And this is very similar, but this is with days of the week instead. Again, for the same reason, cut up little slices and you can use it throughout your journal. And then lastly, from the Nutmeg and Arlo washi tapes is this cute little flower one, which I just thought was so pretty. Oh, and also from Nutmeg and Arlo was this little pencil pin. I don't really know what I'm going to do with it, but it was just so cute and it was actually in the sale, so I just had to get it. Then I selected a few extra washi tapes from different brands, as Olive Mabel stores different independent brands, which is really cute. So one of the ones I picked up was this one, a pencils one. Just really cute little pencils, can always come in handy. I just want to get to using more washi tapes and stickers and things like that to spruce up my bullet journal, and because they're all so cute, so why wouldn't you use them? But I think this little pencil one would be a great way, if you're allowed, to add to your school notes or study notes, because it's very much fitting with the school theme, but would be such a nice way to brighten up your notes a little bit. So the pencils one and this one were by the same person, Pen Paling Paula, and this was another one that I really liked, Amsterdam Houses. I think because I've been to Amsterdam, this one really stood out to me. And if I ever do a little memory holiday page, I will definitely be including these. Lastly, this one is by Kelly Lou, and it is the Brew Crew, which I just had to have because if you know me, I'm always drinking a cup of tea. Look at the little cups of tea, the milk, the little tea bags, all just adorable. And then finally, I grabbed this simple, just lined notebook. They're just so useful to have. I use random bits of note paper all the time. And it's, of course, Make Notes Purple. So I had to get this one. And I love that it's quite a thick book as well. I like having lots of sheets of paper. The big lines are really cute. I'm so happy with everything I got from Olive Mabel. I bought all of this stuff myself, but if you want to check them out, I will link them down below. Next up, we've got a journal from Mindful Giraffe. So this one was kindly gifted to me, and I have already opened it because I couldn't resist. But look how pretty that is. I love how the gold foil just catches the light, and I wish you could feel how soft this is. It's super soft. Of course, got the little elastic to keep the pages closed. I always just hook that around the back if I'm not using it. Got a little pocket at the back too, which is always handy. Any stickers or bits of scrap paper or anything. You've got the branding and somewhere to write your name, and then you just jump straight into the pages. This journal has 170 GSM paper, which is the highest GSM I think I've actually seen in a journal before, and the dots are really light, so they really don't detract from your drawing, which is super helpful. And the whole journal just feels super high quality, which I really love, and I can't get over how soft this is. There's also 2 little ribbon bookmarkers, so you can mark where you are up to in the book. They're in the really pretty blue that matches the front cover, which is called Bluebell, the colour, and I just love this colour blue. So nice. But they have lots of other colours to choose from if blue isn't your colour, but they let me choose which colour I would like, and this is the one I went with. I love the little giraffe on the edge in gold, and you've got the branding on the back as well. Really cute font. I love that. So yeah, as I said, this one was gifted, and I will link them down below if you want to check them out. Next up, we're on to Papier, and this is from their new collection of stationery stuff, which I was very kindly gifted. It all came so beautifully packaged. Full disclaimer, I have already opened it and had a look, because how could I possibly resist? But I've put it all back into the packaging wherever possible so you could appreciate just how beautifully everything was wrapped up. It was such a pleasure to open, and I'm very grateful for them sending this whole collection to me. Came with a couple of little postcards. I just love these, they're so cute. Pin them on the notice board, have them on the desk, and they're very aesthetic as well. Now, before we get to the stationery, I want to show you that they also sent me a journal to go with it. As I said, I've already opened it, but wanted to show you how it comes wrapped. So pretty. And they actually personalised my journal for me, which was so thoughtful of them. And we've got a nice dot grid bullet journal to use. Also comes with a little ribbon as a bookmarker, always handy to have. I just find the design so quirky and cute. The colours match perfectly with the whole new stationery set, so I'll show you those right now. So I'll move everything aside a little bit just so that we can lay down all the bits that we open. And let's start off with this big one. So this is the Pom Pom pencil. And look, it says, "For words you want to cheer for." I just thought that was so cute. Feels very bougie coming in its own little box, but I love it, and it's just so cute. And you can see how this starts to match with the journal I was sent as well, so we love a little matching set. Then we got some little sticky note tabs, perfect for just sticking on the edge of a book if you want to mark the page, in a textbook, or just a little bit of decoration in super cute colours. Then we've got these Curious Shapes erasers, and it says, "Making mistakes is part of the fun." I just think the packaging, all the wording on it, it just really makes the whole experience, and it's so fun to open everything. But these are all the little shapes. Again, you can see this colour palette tying in now. And I mean, when they said Curious Shapes, they weren't joking, but I just think they're so cute. Would look great as well in the background of an image, something a little bit different, bring in some colour, and of course, always handy to have. Now I will show you these 2 pens. So one is a fountain pen and one is a rollable pen from Ink Flows Inspiration. And I mean, look at that. Just feels very high quality, really smooth barrel as well. And as I said, this one is the fountain pen. You can see the colour scheme throughout. You can see these kind of wave designs are obviously a big part of the collection, and it just feels really retro, and I love it. Then for the rollable, again, just stunning. And this one is the rollable top. It's got a little cover on it as I've not used it yet. Next, I will show you these. So this one is actually a bookmark. So it just slots onto the page, and I just think it's so pretty. The way it catches the light, it's like metal, and we've got that wave design again. And it also came with this, it's called a flower pen clip. So I believe it clips onto the book here, and then you can use this to slot a pen into. So you could have a pen attached on the side of your book, which I just thought was super cool. Like, you just know this is something that will actually come in very useful. So I don't have anything like this. Very excited to try it out and attach it to my book. Then we've got some slightly bigger sticky notes, similar design and style to this one, of course, so it all matches, but a little bit bigger this time. So you could write on it, stick it to your desk, stick it into your book just for decoration, use it for scrapbooking, literally anything. They're always just handy to have around. Next, I want to show you these. I just love them. The packaging is everything. These are a set of colouring pencils and it says colour your days away. But just look at this. How pretty is that? And then when you open this bit up, it like raises the pencils, which I just thought was so cool. They've got this wave design again, the exact colour palette to match all of this. And I just love this little pocket that it comes in, and I would definitely be keeping them in there. Speaking of little pockets, we've got another one. This is the pocket sticky notes, and it says a pocket full of thoughts. Just another cute little quote on there. Like, all of this packaging just makes me think it would be the perfect thing as a gift, because it's such a nice thing to receive and get to open. So this is just a set of simple sticky notes, but we've got that blue colour and the waves and swirls going on. Again, I will be keeping it in this little pouch. Next, I will show you these very cute little retro-y sticker set. I've got all of these ones. Aren't they just so cute? I will definitely be using some of these. I love this bloom one too. But again, just ties in with the whole collection. It's all just so thought out. Those are the stickers. Then we've got a set of washi tapes. These are a set of 4 and it says, for making presents and pages even prettier, which is exactly what they do. And we've got a wave one. This is a nice chunky one. I hadn't actually noticed until now, but it has scalloped edges, which I just love. You could even cut it in half, so you've got the edges on both and use one at the top and one at the bottom. Really love that one. And we've got a pink one with the little arches. And we've got a blue one with the swirls. This one matches the little pocket sticky notes. And finally, this kind of rusty orangey reddy colour, and again with the scalloped edges. I just think that's such a nice little touch. So those are all the washi tapes that came with it. And we are on to our final one from Papier. This is my favourite, so I saved it until the end. It's just a ruler. It says bend the rules. But the colour, look at it. It is so nice. It's metal, but it's these edges. I obviously like that. I didn't really realise that I do, but I do. I don't know, I just think it's so pretty. I kind of want to put it in the background of every picture I take now for Instagram. Obviously super cute and useful as well, because you've got the straight edge, but it's just stunning. And that is my Papier collection. Again, this was gifted. I'm very, very grateful. But I just think the packaging really makes this whole set. The whole colour palette and all the curves and waves, it all just fits so well together. I just think it would be the perfect set for gifting someone, maybe at Christmas, which is coming up. And finally, we've got these planners from the brand LifeStyled. Again, these were gifted very kindly. And this one is the bullet journal. So this one comes with the little elastic. It's that smooth vegan leather cover, which I absolutely love. I love this kind of peachy pink as well. And it is just a simple dot grid journal, but really, really pretty colour. Of course, super useful to always have a bullet journal on hand. Then I think these planners are the real kind of stars of the show. So I'll show you the first one to begin with. For a start, this packaging is just everything. Look at that, how it catches the light. Beautiful, and you know it's just going to be high quality when you've got packaging like this. You get a little thank you card, which is super cute. Again, it's all this gold foil, which just gives it that touch of luxury, I think. And speaking of luxury, look at how this is packaged. The planner comes in this little bag, which is really, really nice. It's got this drawstring at the top. And this is the new 2023 planner. It is quite big. I don't know if you can tell the size by how I'm holding it, but it's really big and chunky, means you've got plenty of space for writing everything down. Just feels super like luxury. I love this big spiral ring bind on the side, and it comes with tabs for the months. Got a little pocket on the inside there. and just so many useful pages in this. I could just really imagine somebody doing their work from home setup and they've got this stunning planner on their desk at all times, or equally taking it into work in an office or something. I just think everyone will be envious of this kind of planner. So you get a day per page. You've got a little schedule down one side. You've got space for your priorities, and you've also got a to-do list and a little space for notes at the bottom. I just think the lettering and everything is so pretty. I think it's super useful having a day per page for each day of the week, and then the weekends are split. Most people tend to not have to plan their weekends as much, so I think that's just kind of universally useful. So as I said, you've got the tabs for each month, and at the start of each month you have an overview kind of calendar, space for monthly goals, pretty much everything you can need. You've even got a monthly spend, which I didn't realise. Super useful, either for personal or maybe a business if you've got your own business. And you also get notes pages at the back of the month as well, before the start of the new ones. This is the colour Lavender Grey. I'm not sure the camera completely does it justice, but it's just so pretty and it looks stunning with the gold. I also was sent this one. Again, the same sort of beautiful packaging. I just love these little bags. You can either use it to keep your journal in if you wanted to put it in your bag, you don't want it to get all scuffed or anything, or you could just use it for other things. It's really handy. Could be like a little travel bag or something, because it's so pretty. So this one is actually the academic year planner. So this one goes from August 2022 just been, and this will go to July 2023. Super useful if you're a student or a teacher, or you just base your business off of the school academic year. Really useful to have it set out like this already for you. I just love these kind of abstract paint strokes, and the little spiral and edges on this one are like a rose gold as opposed to the regular gold on this one. So again, you've got your little pocket and the front page. You've got an overview of all of the months that are included in it. And then you've got your calendar, and straight into you've got your monthly spend as well, and then straight into your daily planning pages. I think it's so useful to have the to-do list as well as the schedule, because then not only can you jot down random things you need to do, you can then actually sort it into a time you might do those things, or block out a meeting that you've got, or an activity you need to go to after school, anything like that. So super useful. Again, you've got the tabs, which of course super useful, plus that gold foil looks lovely. And yeah, it's the same setup as this one, it's just the different months that are included. So academic year, January to December year. Again, with Christmas coming up, I thought it was just the perfect time to show you, and I love how high quality these feel. So there we have it, my huge stationery haul. To recap, we had the beautiful stationery, notebook, washi tapes, and pencil pin that I bought myself from Olive Mabel, and then everything else was gifted. So we had the 170 GSM journal from Mindful Giraffe. We had the full new stationery set from Papier with all the retro colours and the swirls. And finally, we had the luxury planners and bullet journal from LifeStyled planners. And as Christmas is coming up, I think stationery, especially when it's packaged as nicely as everything here was, it just makes the perfect gift. It will always come in useful. So I just wanted to show you some bits in case you need some gift ideas. Everything will be linked down below, and don't forget to comment down below which of these would be your favourite gift to receive. And that pretty much wraps up this stationery haul. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I next upload. My new upload schedule is just Sundays every week at 1 PM GMT. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.